Today we're going to be tying a brassy caddis emerger. We're going to grab some Viva's thread, this one is in 16/0 in black, and attach that to our hook shank, snapping the excess free. We'll then insert some lead-free wire to help hold our bead in place and helicopter those free. Grab your thread and create a small transition to help hide our wire. We can then grab some brassy wire, this one is in chartreuse, and wrap that well into the bend of our hook. Once complete, we will wrap our thread back to the head of the fly, grab another piece of wire, and do exactly as we did with the first one, wrapping into the bend of the hook, returning our thread to the head of the fly. Once complete, we will grab the second strand of wire that we tied in and start wrapping that up in closed spirals towards the head of the fly. And I wanted to take a second to say thank you to everyone who's been enjoying these videos. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, and before this video even comes out, we're likely going to hit 20,000. As promised, we're going to do a giveaway. I'm going to include this fly, a few others, as well as one of my Mainly Outdoors fly boxes. So if you want to enter that drawing, all you have to do is like the video, hit subscribe, and go down in the comments and write #flies for your chance to win. And I guess the next video we make, we will be doing the 20,000 subscriber giveaway as well. So if you enjoyed the videos and you want your chance to win, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Once our wire reaches the head of the fly, we will secure it in place and helicoptering it free. Now we can grab the second strand of wire and wrap this up in more open spirals. This gives it a bit more of a three-dimensional look, and if you want to switch things up and add more of a segmented look, you can use a black or a gold wire that also looks quite well with this pattern. Secure by taking thread wraps both in front and behind the wire and helicoptering free. Next, we'll grab some synthetic peacock and natural black hare's ear fibers, mix those together, and create a dubbing noodle. We'll wrap that around our head of the fly, and of course grab our brush and give this a nice buggy look. Pull off some excess fibers and grab a mallard flank. We'll select a couple fibers. We'll start by attaching one to the head of the fly, and once happy, we'll tie in a second in a V shape. Cut the excess free and whip finish to hold everything in place. If you have caddis larvae or rockworms in your area, this is well worth a try. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more just like it, you can go down below, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.